Hey, this is Nicola from Podia, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a blog to your Podia website. To start, click on the blog button in the top menu, and then click blog posts. The very first time you do this, you will have this screen and just click set up blog. So you're going to see 4 posts with some default copy automatically filled into your account. You can either click into these and update them with your own content, or you can click here to delete them. If you click into the post and click edit, this is where you can add your own content. You can add images, videos, whatever you like. Then here, you can adjust the publish date, author, and blog post URL, as well as details like the featured image, excerpt, comments, and SEO title, description, and social sharing image. I'm going to go through and add my blog posts and take out these default posts, and then I'll show you how to make these look the way you want on your website. Okay, now I've got 3 blog posts published, and I want to customize the way they show up on my site. I'm going to go back to the website editor, and now that I've enabled the blog, I have a blog page and a blog post page that I can customize. So first I'm going to click on the blog page. And this is where all my blog posts go by default. I'm going to click into this section and I'm going to give this a title, blog post. You can also add text and buttons here. And then down here, you can decide what you want to show for each post. So I'm actually going to take off the author and comment count, but I'm going to leave the date, featured image, excerpt, and the button. Now I'm going to go to design. And I want all of these images to be landscape and full width for the column. Okay, I like the way that looks. I think I'm going to keep this page pretty simple, but I do want to add a slim email form so that anyone who wants to subscribe for my email list can do it on this page as well. I'm going to give that a light background color so it pops out a bit. Next, we're going to customize the individual blog posts. This is how each article shows up on your site. So for this top section, I can choose again what details I want to show. I'm going to take off the comment count and author as well. Then in the design tab, for this one, I think I want to do something a little different. In this style, there's this inset option, which looks pretty cool. I'm going to give this a little more width. As you can see here, I'm just playing around with the options inside Podia till I get a look that is what I'm going for. Okay, so now I have my header section customized, and for each blog post, this will pull in my featured post, my title, and the excerpt, and then down here, the blog content. You can also customize how this shows up. So you can choose to have this card style or plain, and same with the comments. One last thing we're going to do is go back to our home page. And remember I left this placeholder here for my blog. Now when I click in, read the blog, for this button, I can actually choose the blog page in my Podia account, and it'll automatically be connected. So when I publish my site, I click read now, and it takes me to my very beautiful blog page. Okay, stay tuned. In the next video, we will add an email newsletter landing page for your website.